did manage to find the drain plug. It's got a little level plug in the middle, and then it's got a big one on top. That's pretty dark. There we go. It's about 3 liters probably. But that is definitely the original fluid. After like 134,000 miles, that's when they become as dark as this. And then this right here should be the hole where I can drain the torque converter as well. So the fuel plug is actually right down in there. So remove the battery. Fuel plug hole is right there. You can see it on here. Yeah, right there. That thing, right there. It's looking like a T50, T55 maybe. So we remove that. And then we refill about 2 liters of transmission fluid. And also don't forget to refit your drain plug before you start filling it. Which obviously goes right underneath here. Let's tighten this one and then tighten the little level check plug in the middle. For now, tightening it by hand is enough, but obviously tighten the level plug all the way so that it's at the right height inside the transmission, and also have all 4 corners lifted up so you get an accurate reading. So obviously, as this plug itself has been in there since this car was built, it's never been taken out. I put a bit of WD-40 on it just so it doesn't break. And now I just use a magnet to fish out the thingy. Slide it. As you can see in there, there's some splashing of the old fluid. What we'll do is we'll get our new fluid. So there's our new fluid going in. So this is now about a liter that's gone into it. So whilst we're going to close this, we get no more fluid in there, and we're going to wait for it to reduce to drip down there, and then we'll fill half a liter more, and then we'll start the engine. So I've refitted the plug. We are at 4 liters left, so we're going to open this, and then we're going to go down to 3.5. And then now we're going to close this, and then we remove our filler tool. We'll put the fill plug back in. That's if I don't drop it. I'm just going to hand tighten it. Fingers. So now we'll plug our diagnostic scanner in down here. So we'll go Vauxhall Meriva 2011 Meriva, and then we'll go diagnosis, auto scan, and then it's got the LUV engine. Go to transmission, and then we'll do live data, and then we'll do transmission data, and then there's our fluid temperature. So we're at 29, so we need to get this up to 70-80 degrees. It's going to be a while.